I'm Erica Natividad at Yonge and Bloor. If you live in the city, you've probably learned to get used to the constant noise of construction. For the hundreds of residents in and around this particular construction site, that noise has been taken to the next level. Residents here say that it just never stops. The hammering and beeping continues well on past the midnight hour, leaving them frustrated, anxious, and at their wits' end.
I don't know where that sound is coming from, but it's very annoying and keeping me up.
Constant loud banging in the middle of the night, so thunderous the sound makes its way from the street to the surrounding windows more than 30 stories above. Shelley Owen hasn't slept well in over a month.
We've got a construction team across the street that starts their work with a jackhammer about 11:30 at night, and then there's a team of them yelling and throwing things and smashing things. That goes sometimes till 4 or 5 in the morning.
We sent our City News camera out last night to see it ourselves, and there it was. Crew members in a hydraulic bucket, sounds of beeping and drilling at around 3 in the morning. How frustrating is this for you?
Extremely frustrating. I get up really early in the morning for my job. I'm a coach. I have to get up early, and so I'm missing sleep. And I get maybe 1-2 hours of sleep.
And she's not alone.
The first time I heard anything was February 14th, and it started at about 1:30 in the morning, and it's thumping, banging, clanging, dragging, drilling.
Lena Baldacini is not only a resident, but the building's property manager, and she says multiple residents at this roughly 500-unit building have raised the same concern over the clanging.
A lot of them have come to me asking me if I knew where, the noise was coming from, and I have contacted 311 on several occasions.
The noise bylaw in Toronto limits construction work to between 7 in the morning and 7 at night, Monday to Friday, and Saturday from 9 in the morning to 7 at night. Only construction projects with a noise exemption can work outside those hours. However, the city confirms that the company has not been granted that exemption. Now, it does ask the city why this noise was allowed to continue on and why this investigation is ongoing. All they said was that there was a complaint lodged with the Municipal Standards and Licensing Division and that there was an investigation underway, but they didn't provide much detail beyond that. We also reached out to PCL Construction, and they said they're actually going to be making some changes as a result of the concerns brought up. In a statement to City News, they write, "Based on the concern brought to our attention yesterday, we will be resequencing the loading of bins which had been taking place after hours in order to minimize impact for public access to the TTC entrance to Bloor Yonge. We endeavor to minimize impact to the community."